What's up, guys? So here's an update on the acrylic pour. I said I'm gonna get the video up today. That's not gonna happen, and I really wanted it to. I had to go all the way over to our storage unit and buy new supplies, and when I asked somebody to look at something for me, I won't name names, wife, I asked her if I had a torch there. She said yes, which is true. There is a torch there. I needed the other one though, because I don't have a bottle for the big old, like, crazy one. So anyway, not here or there, but so it's going to happen tonight, and I'll make the video available tomorrow noon Central Time, or that'll be 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 12. What? Math! Oh my gosh, I'm only trying to subtract 2. Goodness. Oh, it'll be 1 o'clock Eastern. 1 o'clock Eastern, or I know you're all just like, this is the answer. Seriously, dude, 10 o'clock Pacific. 10 o'clock. Anyway, it's gonna be great. I can't wait. I picked out some new awesome colors, and it's a complete departure from what I had normally done when I was doing pouring. Guys, this is gonna be so much fun. I can't wait to do it, and I can't wait to see your comments, and I can't wait to see some of the old people, not old people like you're old, but like old people like you haven't been on in a while because you don't dig alcohol inks as much. But anyway, okay, that needs to be enough for now. And so you'll see the video post tomorrow, 10 Pacific or 1 Eastern. There we go. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'll see you. Bye.